Welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to reverse a data table. We have a table here with 2 columns. The content is sorted from 2 to 9. We want to reverse this table and enter it in a new sheet. Copy the path of the Excel file. Add a read range activity. Enter the path. Create a data table variable. Create another variable for the output. Add an Invoke Code activity. Create the following arguments. Write the following code. First we check whether the input table contains columns. Then we define the output data table. Now we create a loop for the columns in order to enter the columns with their types in the output table. Now we create a loop for the rows and we take over the rows from bottom to top one by one. So the code is ready. Now add a write range activity to enter the new table in Excel. I will run the code now. As you can see, the table is entered, but from bottom to top. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to see more videos.